What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the GPT Zone. Today we're going to be discussing Chat GPT for essay writing, a guide to academic and creative excellence. Okay, and we're going to be demonstrating how to use Michael the essay writing angel in this video. Okay, so I encourage you to click the link down below, visit the blog, read the article, and then test drive it today. You'll be taken over to the Chat GPT sign up page for Michael, the essay writing angel. You can just sign your name, put in your email, and start using it today. So let's take a look at exactly what it does. After you sign up and you check your email and you check your spam folder if you didn't get your email, you'll be given the link to go to Chat GPT and use Michael, the essay writing angel. Right now it's free. I don't know how long that'll last. But when you click the link, you'll be taken over to Michael, the essay writing angel GPT. You'll see Bubby Gunner, my LinkedIn profile, my X profile, and that the GPT writes in different styles of essays to help you with all of your needs. Now, the first thing you want to do is choose which essay you want. You want help writing a persuasive essay? Click right here. And you see that it's beginning to create an image for you. And there's Michael. Hi, I'm Michael, your essay writing angel. What is your name? And all you have to do is put in your name or whatever you want the GPT to call you, because from this point on it's going to remember. Let's say Bubby. And it goes to work. Welcome, Bubby. You were wanting help with a persuasive essay. Yes. All you have to do is yes. Great. Are you ready to begin your essay? Yes. Fantastic. Let's start with the basics. How long does the essay need to be? Now, right now, ChatGPT is a little bit off. It doesn't quite get word counts right, so I always recommend that you go for 1,200 word essays. That way, when it puts it out, you get about 700 or 800 you could choose from. What is the topic or keyword for the essay? Let's say rainwater. We need a persuasive essay on rainwater. Perfect. Focusing on rainwater. Do you have a working title or would you like 15? Give me 15. 15 working titles for a persuasive essay on rainwater. Let's see what they got. Harvesting the skies, rainwater, a forgotten source, droplets of life, persuading the case for rainwater harvesting, from clouds to crops, rainwater harvesting, a drop towards. Okay, let's go with number 6. That's kind of dealing with climate change, so we'll do that, even though I don't buy into that climate change bullshit. Rainwater harvesting, a drop towards environmental salvation. Would you like to include in-text citation? If so, how many? 2 of them, please. Michael says, understood. We'll include 2 in-text citations in your essay. Question number 8, who's the target audience? Based on the previous answers, here are 5 potential audiences your essay might target. Environmental activists and policymakers, yes. Policymakers. You're writing an essay for policymakers on rainwater harvesting. You're targeting policymakers and urban planners looking for eco-friendly water management solutions. Excellent choice for maximizing the impact of your persuasive essay on rainwater harvesting. Would you like to draft outline for your essay? Yes. See how easy this is, people? Here's the draft outline for your persuasive essay entitled Rainwater Harvesting, a Drop Towards Environmental Salvation, targeting policymakers and urban planners. And it's going to give me the introduction, the necessity of rainwater harvesting, technical and economic benefits, all the persuasiveness to convince you that that's what we need to do, rainwater harvest. Now let's see what it says. Does this outline meet your expectations, or would you like any adjustments? Great. Let's do it. And let's see Michael go to work. Rainwater harvesting, a drop towards environmental salvation. Imagine a city where every building, every home captures and utilizes the rain, transforming urban developments into self-sustaining bases. This vision can become a reality through the ancient yet innovative practices of rainwater harvesting. As urban areas grapple with the mounting challenges of water scarcity, rainwater harvesting emerges as a beacon of stability, offering a solution that is both economically viable and sound. This essay argues for the integration of rainwater harvesting into urban plannings and policy, presenting it as an indispensable tool for the quest for sustaining water management. And then it goes on, and it gives you two in-text citations, gives you the conclusion, gives you your references for it, and everything. Now, all you got to do now is you go here, you copy it, you go over to your WordPress or wherever you check your word count. I use WordPress. Paste it in, give it its headers, and check everything out. Come down here, you see that the readability is great, and SEO is you just have to put in your stuff. If it's a blog post, if it's an essay for school or work or wherever the case may be, boom, you now have a 406. See what I meant by Chat GPT don't get the word count right? If you need to expand upon it, you just say add another paragraph till you get what you need. All right. So with that, that's the power of Chat GPT essay writing with Michael, the essay writing angel. So with that, love y'all. Be blessed. I'll be back with some demonstration videos on other GPTs that we have on our site. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.